Arnel G. Castillo, he wants to say sorry to everyone. For me, best pills. Arnel G. Castillo. And especially to Gina Sejo, Victor Martin Soriano, for three of you. Do not include Shania Kayana, Drita Ziri, Teacher May Tiburcio. Just stop already, best pills. Arnel G. Castillo. You know, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, when you ever learn how to stop, stop harassing Shania Kiana. And no, Shania Kiana is affected on her reputation. She affected at her study in ILCC because of you, best pills. Arnel G. Castillo, especially Gina Sejo, and also Victor Martin Soriano. That's not good. Do not harass Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, Drita Ziri, Amalia Zakirova, Michelle D., and including Paula Nunez, even Teacher Rina Nebres, Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, Teacher Junel D. Chavez, the best friend of Paulo Cuva, oh, even Paula Nunez, oh, even Teacher Isa Vancula, even the former principal at CDIFI, Teacher Evelyn, and including the Miss Earth title holders, Miss Earth 2023, Drita Ziri, and Miss Earth 2022, Mina Suchoy. Oh, just leave them alone. Best pills. Arnel G. Castillo, tantanan mo na sila, that's why. You know, best pills. Arnel G. Castillo, when you made the YouTube blog, you have to stop. You know, I'm not making enemies eh. Why I curse you in my profanity words in English or Tagalog or PI? Why I call you a son of a bitch? I say to you, best pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Oh. Because you're attacking anyone and you defend your ally, Gina Sejo, that she's the one who scolded me in CDIFI way back 2003 and 2004. And you call her love. And you defend Gina Sejo to harass Shadaya Kiana. You know, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo and Gina Sejo. Both of you should show your consequence, especially you, Victor Martin Soriano. You're the one who stole the TVJ's logo last year. As for me, best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Victor Martin Soriano, especially Gina Sejo. If three of you didn't learn how to stop, I should better put three of you in my enemy list. Together with Mang Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Jeffrey Beltran, Ivy Montalayola, Anya Santos Dumaloog, and Dara May Tuason. Oh. For me, for my example, let us stop this a fight. Best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Even you, Victor Martin Soriano, and this fightings in social media and Facebook. This is really waste of time. This is really wasting my time, right? This is really wasting my time when you started this fight. For three of you, like I said, naaaksaya kayo ng oras. That's why. That's why I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano. Three of you should better to stop this. Do not make nonsense. Me, as for my example, I do not want to pick up a fight. Me, when I fight with Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, Ma'am Jessa Fernandez and I, we reconcile each other. Ma'am Jessa Fernandez wants to say sorry to Joseph Maspinas for posting about against Rodrigo Duterte. And Joseph Maspinas had forgive Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. I told to Joseph Maspinas, let Ma'am Jessa Fernandez be. Like I say to him in Filipino, wag mo na lang patulan. Bayan natin lang siya, that's why. Just let her be. As perhaps, I let her be. Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, if you want to learn how to stop, just stop. Stop this harassment. Maawa ka, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. That's why, this is really threatened. As for me, for three of you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, even you, Gina Sejo, you have to stop harassing Shania Kiana. Even Victor Martin Soriano. For three of you, if you don't really how to stop, Joseph Maspina said to me, mapapatulpok pa kayo, that's why, And recently, there will be no argument, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you're making lots of rape joke. Rape joke is not a bail. It's an act of lasciviousness. There is no bail, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo. For me, Best Pills, you must apologize to Shania Kiana, me, even Amalia Zakirova, and to those people who were fan of TVJ, even Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, especially Amalia Zakirova, Mina Suchoy, Drita Ziri, and even other teachers in CDIFI, you must apologize. And apologize to Calvin Cuevas and Gio Malana for stealing money and cell phone. You must apologize. You tell everything what your consequences was. You need to apologize. And for you, Gina Sejo, you need to apologize to me and Shania Kiana. Even for Victor Martin Soriano, you need to apologize to those TVJ production, especially to Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. Apologize. As for Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to apologize to Diwata. Don't call him addict. I never call Calvin Cuevas addict. That's really bad. Like I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, if you want to see Diwata, why you not come to Roas Boulevard in Paris to see Diwata, and you need to apologize. For me, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to apologize.